we're going to be discussing navigating the menus in your T9 handheld. First, your print settings menu located here. We'll touch that. In your print settings menu, you will find 4 submenus: parameters, your print head, print mode, and advance. In parameter, you'll find your DPI setting 150 through 600. Your spray type left or right, that is for your cartridge, the left or right nozzle. In your print head, you will find your print direction so that you can change the direction from left to right, right to left, and then inverted upside down left to right and upside down right to left. You also have a gray setting or a bold setting. This will increase the amount of ink that is dispensed with your print. And underneath that is your print delay. From the time that you are triggering the print or pulling the trigger, that is how long it will wait before actually starting to print. On your print mode, this is where you'll find your trigger type. Key trigger is going to use the built-in trigger on the unit, or you can set it to automatic, which will print based on an internal timing of the printer. Underneath that, you have your encoder setting. Encoder is currently turned on for your handheld, so it uses the internal encoder. With the PPR and diameter setting of the wheel, if you turn that off, you'll have to adjust the print speed. And if you set this to auto, that will open up the signal interval, in other words, the distance between each print. On your advanced menu, this is where you'll have your ability to set a single printing parameter or turn that on for your group files.